Hey folks, how's it going? Well, I've got a few for sale videos I'm going to put up now, and we're going to start out with this item. This is a Mopar Super 6 intake setup. It's complete. It's got the intake, exhaust, original carburetor, still has a ID tag on it. You know, it's the original type on these because it's got a curved PCV port on it, and it's got the brackets, got the correct choke that goes on it, and has the air cleaner assembly, and also has the kick down rods that are specific to these. So we've got the whole assembly here. Like I said, that carburetor is original and probably needs to be rebuilt. It's not a reman carburetor, so that's good. So everything looks good on this. It all came off the same vehicle, so I've hung on to this for a while, and I've had a lot of interest in this. So here it is. If you're interested in this, let me know. You can send me a PM on YouTube if you want to, or if you want to email me, you can email me at Stangman, that's STANGMAN 9050 at Yahoo. I'll put that in the link, that link in the description rather. So I'm asking $300 on this, and I'm pretty firm on that because that's about what they go for now. So anyway, if you're interested, please get a hold of me and we'll work something out. I'm located about 20 miles north of Athens, Alabama, right off of Interstate 65. So thanks for looking, and have a good one.